Ever spent hours watching random coding videos only to realize you still don't know where to start or what to learn next? You are not alone. Most college students waste years jumping between tutorials, learning everything, yet getting nowhere. The truth is, most students don't know what companies actually want. They study topics randomly without understanding how those skills connect to real-world jobs. And the result? They lose confidence, get overwhelmed, and end up doing nothing. But here is the good news. The demand for skilled C and C++ developers is massive, especially in VLSI, FPGA, and embedded systems in both service and product-based companies. And yet, many students from electronics, electricals, mechatronics, and instrumentation believe that C and C++ are only for CS and IT students, which is not true. In reality, C and C++ play a crucial role in core electronics and semiconductor industry, from virtual prototype development and architectural modeling to high-level synthesis, SoC design and verification, and system-level simulations. They're also deeply used in FPGA system design, IP development using ARM and RISC cores, and in embedded systems to control the interfaces like motor drivers, USB, I2C, SPI, UART, and CAN. To put it simply, C and C++ are the foundation of the technologies which control our hardware world. Companies are hiring aggressively in these domains, but they are struggling to find students who understand both hardware fundamentals and software logic, the perfect combination for system-level jobs. And that's exactly the gap we are solving. We have created a structured path that takes you from beginner to job-ready developer step by step. You will start by mastering and getting certified in C and C++. Then you will build some real projects, and then you will prepare for the interview with real job guidance. No random learning, no confusion, just a clear roadmap designed for one goal: to get you placed in C and C++ domain. In the C track, you will build rock-solid foundation, learning everything from basic syntax and loops to advanced concepts like memory management and file handling. After completing all the three levels, you will appear for C certification exam, which will validate your understanding and your command on the language. Then in C++ track, you will take your skills to the next level, mastering object-oriented programming, STL, and advanced concepts like move semantics and smart pointers, which will prepare you for the real-world development, followed by C++ certification. After completing both tracks, our top-performing students will enter the job prep crash course, where they will get interview-focused training, live doubt session, and personalized guidance to get placement ready. Then they will build some real-world projects to showcase their skills, and finally we will connect them to companies hiring in C++ domain. A complete step-by-step journey from learning to certification to placement. But what if you get stuck on a concept? You don't need to search for 10 different videos. Just ask your questions and we will clear your doubts in our live doubt session or through our community of mentors. Also, each level includes assignment, quiz, and practical exercises, which will help you to build confidence through consistent practice. Over the year, our students have landed jobs in top companies working in VLSI, FPGA, and embedded systems. Many students started just like you, confused and unsure, and today they are working in core electronics company in C++ domain. And the best part, you don't need to spend 30,000 or 50,000 for this. You pay only a small fees for each level while learning, and once you land your first job, a one-time 10% of your annual CTC as a success fee. Fair, transparent, and designed to grow only when you do. So if you are serious about building a career in C++ domain, stop learning randomly. Follow a structured path. Build skills, get certified, and get placed. Click below to begin your skill to hire journey.